I tried to lay my edges today. It looks ridiculous. Look at this. I don't think I'm ever doing this again. It looks. Do you think people actually draw shapes, and how do they even do that? Normally, 6 years into my natural hair journey, I should have waist length hair, but I am very far from having waist length hair. People on this platform are able to grow this amount of hair I have now in 3 years or less. So I always envy people who say things like, my mom used grease on my hair and it was not good. It was my hair was always shiny. My the way I envy you. The way I envy you. Yes, the women in your lives may have treated your hair the wrong way, but at least you have an idea now. It's thanks to all those steps. It is thanks to all those things they did that you're able to differentiate what is right from what is wrong with your hair now. I do not have that type of experience. My own case is different, and most people who grew up in countries and areas colonized by the British have the same experience. We had to cut our hair very early. My mom cut my hair when I was 5 years old, not because she wanted to, but because it was a requirement at school, government school. That's how it works. I only started growing my hair when I was at the university. I was 18. Do not ask me how I was able to still look beautiful with my head shaped like this. The creator knows his job. I grew my hair for about 8 months without any problem. But when I was able to put it in a ponytail, people started making remarks about how my hair was and started telling me I should relax it. In our defense, none of us knew how to take care of natural hair. I ended up relaxing my hair. I did it at home. I had my cousin do it and I got burned so bad. I left my hair like that for about 6 months again without any relaxer. Then I went back home to my mom. Yes, when I was in the university, I was telling my mom I was with my auntie. That's how I got my cousin to relax my hair. So I went back to my mom and she paid for me to have my hair relaxed at the salon. That other relaxer went on better. But after a while, my hair started falling off. I cut my hair about a year later and kept it short for another year. I was determined this time to grow my hair natural, but at this point, I still had no idea what to do with the hair. I had no idea how to care for the hair. I encountered my first growth plateau 8 to 12 months into my natural hair journey, into my new natural hair journey. Looking around, I did not really see naturalistas with long hair. All they could do is hold their hair in a ponytail like I did mine. And I was like, the God I know is fair. He cannot decide that only black women will have short hair while Caucasian and Asian women can have long hair. I know God is fair. So I went to school, to YouTube University. I remember messing my hair up so many times, especially at the beginning when I thought my hair was this curl pattern and this texture because it was dry. After trying all the tutorials from people who had the hair I wanted, to no avail, I started hating my hair. I started mistreating it. I did not only ruin my hair, I even ruined my skin too in this thing. I have a video where I talk about that. After going through all this, there's one thing that makes it all worth it. One thing. I have the satisfaction. I feel happy when I think that my children are not going to have to go through all this. I just consider my hair like a donation to science. Like, I gave my hair to science. I gave my hair to science for the progress of natural hair care. So my children don't have to go through all this. So the people I love, the people who really need their help, do not have to go through all this. My last video where I showed you the progress of a client of mine I was able to help without being, especially without knowing anything about natural hair, gave me hope. I would not change all what I have been through for anything. For anything in this world. It has been a beautiful experience and it is still a beautiful experience. I am still going to make mistakes. These braids are probably a mistake, but I am going to survive through it and it is going to help somebody else. I do not even need waist length hair. I do not need waist length hair. What am I going to do with it? What can I possibly do with it? All it does is eat up products, take more time to maintain, and limit the hairstyles you can do with it. Uh, I do not need waist length hair. I am making this video today because I do realize that there are a lot of people who feel stuck in their natural hair journey. That's why the relaxer movement is coming back. A lot of people are going back to relaxers. I may have been against relaxers at some point, but now I understand why someone would choose to relax his or her hair. We cannot ignore the role that natural hair has played in relaxed hair. It is because the natural hair movement started that we have more healthy, relaxed hair practices. The natural hair movement helped the relaxed hair movement to evolve. I feel like this is the right time for me to say, I know things may seem tough for you now, but do not give up. Do not give up. They are definitely going to change for you soon. Take care. Bye.